Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic foods at home. We'll cover the simple steps to create delicious fermented items like sauerkraut and kimchi. Understanding the basics of fermentation will empower you to craft your own healthy, gut-friendly meals. It's a rewarding process that brings fresh, vibrant flavors to your kitchen. Get ready to transform everyday ingredients into nutritional powerhouses. To begin, gather your essential tools. Clean glass jars ranging from 1/4 liter to 2 liters are perfect. You might also want airlocks or special fermentation lids to keep oxygen out. For ingredients, choose fresh, organic vegetables whenever possible. A good quality salt like sea salt is vital, and sometimes a starter culture, such as a bit of existing brine, helps kickstart the process. First, prepare your chosen ingredients. For example, shred cabbage for sauerkraut or chop vegetables for kimchi. Next, combine them with your salt, typically about 2% of the vegetable weight, and any starter culture in a clean jar. Pack everything down tightly to remove air pockets. Then, ensure the vegetables are fully submerged under their own brine or added water to create an anaerobic environment, crucial for healthy fermentation. Once fermented to your liking, transfer your probiotic creations to the refrigerator. This significantly slows down the fermentation process, preserving their flavor and beneficial bacteria for several weeks or even months. Regularly incorporating these foods into your diet can greatly support your digestive health and strengthen your immune system. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay healthy and hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.